Let's explore the process of implementing user registration. We will focus on creating a secure user sign-up functionality. This includes practices like password hashing, form validation, and secure data storage. Here's a basic HTML form for user registration. It includes fields for username, email, and password. The form sends data to the /register route using the post method. Each input field is marked as required, ensuring that users fill them out. The Submit button triggers the registration process. This is a post route handler in Express. It listens for post requests to the /register endpoint. It extracts the username, email, and password from the request body. Input data is validated to ensure that all required fields are present. If any field is missing, it returns an error response with a status code of 400. It's crucial to never store passwords in plain text. Hashing transforms passwords into irreversible strings, protecting user data even if the database is compromised. Salting adds random data before hashing to prevent rainbow table attacks and ensure unique hashes for each password. This code demonstrates password hashing with bcrypt. The bcrypt library is first required. Then the number of salt rounds is defined. A higher number of salt rounds increases security, but also increases the time it takes to generate a hash. The bcrypt.hash function is used to hash the password with the specified number of salt rounds. Finally, the hashed password is saved to the database along with the username and email. This slide shows how to validate email and password inputs. An email validation is performed using a regular expression to check if the email format is valid. If the email is invalid, an error response with a status code of 400 is returned. A password strength check ensures that the password length is at least 8 characters. If not, an error message is sent. This segment covers how to save a user to a database. First, it checks if a user with the given email already exists in the database. If so, it returns an error response with a status code of 409, indicating a conflict. If the user does not exist, a new user is created and saved to the database. On successful registration, it sends a response with a status code of 201, along with a success message. Any errors during this process will result in the error message with status code of 500. Here are essential security measures to consider. Always use Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, that is HTTPS, for secure data transmission. Implement rate limiting to prevent brute force attacks. Sanitize inputs to prevent injection attacks. Use high salt rounds 12 or more for password hashing to enhance security. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.